and now we will do the strap for it. So I'll put this on the side, and I got my ruler because of course it can be, because of the tension and um, your type of yarn, those numbers might change. So here is the general idea how I went about that strap. So first I did my foundation chain, which will be about 26 inches. So here are the first 12, 24, and now I will crochet 2 more inches here. And that's kind of comfortably fitting under my arm. So make sure you measure it roughly. I'm using a thicker crochet hook here, 4.5. I use this one for the whole bag, but I will go with 3.5 for the double crochets, so I can make it a little bit tighter and it's not stretchy. So I'll need a couple of more stitches here. Okay, so now I will go into each chain and I will do just a double crochet. So chain 2, which I will count as a double crochet, and then into each, in the third stitch, you put your next double crochet, and then in the next one you put a double crochet, and I'll go like this till the end, and I'll meet you there. With my next color, I will go into each double crochet and make another double crochet on top of them, and I will do this on both sides of the white color. So just like that, chain 2, tighten your first loop, and then into each double crochet you do another double crochet, and then when you get to the end you can cut your yarn and just start again on this side, and I'll meet you at the end. Now that you're done with the yellow on both sides of your strap, and here is mine, I will grab the next color, and again, not on the wrong side, but on the front side, because all my stitches are right stitches. So on the right side, I will get my next color, and I will just go into that first double crochet to start my color and put it there securely, and into the back loop of each double crochet I will do a slip stitch. So just like this, and you slip it through your first loop. All right, so you keep your loop here on the hook, you go through the back loop, yarn over, and then continue into your first loop. Grab the back loop, yarn over, pull through, into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. All right, and one more time, go into the back loop of your double crochet, yarn over, pull through that double crochet, and then pull through your loop on the hook. And that's how I'm gonna go again till the end of the strap, and then I'll cut my yarn off and I'll go back in on the other side. So this way, this will stop stretching of my stitches. This will tie it nicely with the rest of the bag. That color here will be a nice finishing touch for this strap with the least yarn possible that I can use because that's how much I have left, and I still want to put a little border around the top of my purse. All right, so I'll keep going and I'll meet you at the end. So here is the strap already. And now you can either finish the edges, like do single crochet around along the edge, or when you attach it to your purse, you'll just do it at the same time. You'll just hide your ends inside your purse. Add a ribbon to the back or fabric, a cotton fabric that's not stretchy at all, and then preferably from the same lining you will do on your purse, or just coordinating color. In this case, it could be white, it could be yellow, or this teal color. So even the back looks nice. Look at it. So that's all. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you're not, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.